So in this video, we want to find the equation of the line for each of these scenarios in the form y equals mx plus c. And we're going to use this first method that I've gone through, where we are going straight into y equals mx plus c form. We can substitute in the m, and then we can substitute in the point to work out the value of c. So let's begin with number one. We have the gradient is 2, and it passes through 1, 5. So straight off the bat, we can write down that y is equal to 2x plus c, because the gradient is 2 and the m represents the gradient of the line. Now we know that it goes through 1, 5, so the y gets replaced with 5 and the x gets replaced with 1. So here we have 5 is equal to 2 plus c. Subtract the 2 from both sides, and so c is 3. So therefore, the answer to our first one is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so that's our first one. Right, number 2. So here the gradient is 3, and it passes through the point minus 1, 8. So straight off we can write down y is equal to 3x plus c, because the gradient's 3, and it passes through minus 1, 8. So the y gets replaced with 8, and the x gets replaced with minus 1. So 3 lots of minus 1 plus c. So we have 8 equals 3 lots of minus 1 is minus 3. Then add the 3 to both sides. 11 is equal to c. So therefore, y is equal to 3x plus 11. And that's the equation of our line. Okay, number 3. The gradient is minus 2, and it passes through the point 2, minus 3. So we can straight off write y equals minus 2x plus c, because the gradient is minus 2. Now we can substitute in 2 minus 3. So the y becomes minus 3, and the x becomes 2. So we'll have minus 2 times 2 plus c. So take another line just to simplify. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. And then we can add the 4 to both sides. So we'll get minus 3 plus 4 is 1. And so that's my c. So therefore, y equals minus 2x plus 1. And that's the equation of my line in that case. Number 4. Okay, so the gradient is minus 3, and it passes through the point minus 3, minus 4. So straight off, y is equal to minus 3x plus c. And now we can substitute in minus 3, minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. And the x value here is minus 3. So minus 3 times by minus 3 plus c. So we have the minus 4, then minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. And then we can subtract the 9 from both sides. So minus 4 take away 9 is minus 13. And so that's my value for c. Therefore, y equals minus 3x take away 13. And that's the equation of my line.